Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, we're going to focus on how to add a booking on CouponBet. So what's really nice is that CouponBet helps you to organize your travel agency. And adding information is really important. So let me show you exactly how you can use CouponBet to add a booking. So first of all, once you're logged in here, you can see here you're logged in, you will see the dashboard. The dashboard will give you all the news regarding to CouponBet and what's the new features and what's in development. Everything is coming out. But of course, what we need in this case is we need to go from the dashboard, we have to go to the booking manager. In the booking manager, all the bookings are filtered based on travel date and on booking date. And what we want to do is we want to add a new booking, and you can see here right now what we have all the bookings. Currently today is the 3rd of April, as you can see here, status of traveling. So that means that this customer is traveling, and Jonathan, that's the agent who booked it, booked for Sir Ricky Sanchez a booking regarding to a tour only, or a tour and activity. So this is an activity in Boracay. So in this case, what we want to do is we want to add a new activity, and this activity is a different one. So let me show you exactly how to do that. So first of all, to add a new activity, click here on add new booking, and then you have here the option here, the customer details. Is it a company, yes or no? In this case, no company. We'll just use again Ricky Sanchez. Ricky Sanchez is would like to have another booking. So in this case, what does Ricky Sanchez really wants is, well, very simple. I'll just put in here an email, Ricky Sanchez at gmail.com. Please note these emails and everything here is all fictional. This person does not exist. So I'm just making it up as I go. And let's put in here phone number 918-123-5478. Alright, so we have here the contact details from the customer. Alright. Next step here is of course the travel details. Since this is a activity only, in this case the customer would like to do the island hopping in Boracay, so what we do here is we can select here all the options. So land arrangement or activities only. We are doing here an activity only, so we just click activities only, and what happened instantly, everything else pops up what is related to the booking. So let's select here destination. In this case, our destination is Boracay. And you can see if I type Boracay, you can click on here like this, or you can even type it in case you want more. However, the most common options are already in here. And we will do this for tomorrow. Ricky Sanchez will have tomorrow his island hopping activity. Let's click this. Alright. And a total of 5 people. Mode of payment is online bank deposit. And how much did they pay? 5,000 pesos. And we have to pay the Boracay tour operator. And their price is for 250. Alright. So this is all correct. Special request and notice. We can put in here something, in this case, no need at all. So once we save this, everything is done. And you can see here instantly, Ricky Sanchez's new booking has been added. And you can see here as well, what happened is that instantly, it also analyzes which contact number or which telecom provider you have. And Ricky Sanchez right now with this number, 0918, it recognizes it is a smart number. So it saves you a lot of time if you want to figure out which contact detail or which phone you need to use. Smart Globe Sun. Here you can see it instantly, it saves you a lot of time. So you can see here, if you click on our booking, this is the booking for tomorrow, it's in status traveling soon. You can see it's been booked by me. Let's click on this. You can see all the information is sorted out here. You can see our markups, our earnings, everything is in here. And this is really, really useful. So this is a very useful way how you can add a new booking. And in this case, I'm showing you how to add an activity. Perhaps you're interested as well. Let me show you exactly how you can join us. So perhaps you want to join here. Just go to couponbet.com. And once you're on couponbet.com, you can see here it is. Nope. Let's remove that. That's me. And click on sign up now. And in here, you can put in your company details, or your company name. You can put in here your email, your username, your password, and what you have to remember, please note that make sure you remember your username because you need that for your logging in, and make sure you also use a existing email address because you get an email confirmation once you fill up the form. You go to your email inbox, check for the email, click on confirmation. There's a link in there, just click on that link, you confirm the account and you're ready to log in. You get an email instantly or almost instantly, and if you cannot find the email, check your spam inbox, maybe it's in there. And once you click that, you're ready to go. No need to wait, it's all instant, so it doesn't need to wait for approval, days, hours, no need. It should be there within 1 minute or instant. So just, what are you waiting for basically? Just sign up right away and join CouponBet right away.